Oh my gosh, look at y'all. I got my delivery from Ranger on the stuff I ordered from the Black Friday. Actually, I think this was the Monday sale, and I'm so excited to open this up. I can't wait. I don't really do unboxing videos or like craft hauls or whatever, although good lord, I could have done a lot of them in the last so many years I've been doing this, because I don't know, to me it just seems pretentious, but I like watching them and other people seem to like watching them, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this as an unboxing because I'm so excited. And I got such a good deal on all of this on Monday, the Small Business Monday, is that what it was? I don't know, but I'm so excited because, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what's in these boxes. So here is the Dylusion paint pens, a white and a black one. And here, let me see if I can make more room. I actually went through my craft room this weekend and did a lot of organizing and rearranging, and I'm so excited about it, and I'm going to have to do maybe a quick video on that too. So this here is some Dylusion washi tape, which hopefully there's not a glare on that. There's a little bit of a glare. Let me see if I can, yeah, that's going to block it. But here, let me take it out of the box. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I have bought, you know, Dylusion stuff in the past. Quite a bit of it actually. But yeah. So here's the, oop, it's stuck on my finger. Here's the washi tapes, if you can see that. So excited. And let's see, I'm gonna put these back in here real quick. I'll fix it later. Actually, I'll organize that in my washi tape drawers if I got room. And then here's some paper clips from Dylusion. Really cool. And then this is the Creative Diary. And I do have the Dylusions travel journal, so I can use that in there. And also, but I think this comes with a diary. And Dylusions diary, what is this? This is more stuff for the diary. Where's my, I already lost my, oh, there it is. My scissors. It's like, are you kidding me? Okay, let me see if I can open this up. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, I love it that there's stuff in here that I can color myself and stuff that's colored. Oh, that's so awesome. Because I've bought quite a few Dylusion packs in the past. Actually, they're right here, and I've used them quite a bit, and they're ones that I can color myself, and I really like that. I like being able to, and the heads and the bodies are mix and match, so that's really cool. And then, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Here is a Dylusions diary. And what's so funny is I actually made a journal, my own custom journal. Let's see if I can get this open. Oh my gosh, look at that. So excited. I actually made myself my own custom journal for 2021. So this will probably be used. I guess I can have more than one journal. People do, right? I mean, more than one planner. People do. I made my own custom planner, but yeah, definitely excited about that. And then a bag, a Ranger bag to put all my goodies in. So excited about all of that. So that is that. And y'all, I could not help myself. I probably went a little overboard, but I mean, they were running such a good deal on everything, and I just couldn't help myself. Love, love, love Ranger products. And so let's see, what's this one? I ended up, these were kits, so I ended up buying 3 different kits is what I did. So this one here, yeah, I ended up buying 3 different kits. And so, because I guess if you purchase more than $55, I think it is, you get this great bag, which I'm excited about. Okay, and in here we've got another Dylusion paint pen, a black one and a white one. And then we got a color sheet. Not sure what this is. Let me see if I can open it. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. This has got like, oh, that's cool. Oh, different things in it, different sayings and pictures. Cool. And then this one came with the full set of the Dylusions paint pens. And then this is the dialogue insertion book, which, like I said, I bought the travel journal. Let me see what this one looks like. I mean, it looks like it's just ruled, but I'm wondering, whoo, can I get that off? Good. I was afraid it was going to tear it. Okay, cool. But I do have the travel journal, which, you know, I could probably fit more into it, but I stuffed a bunch of paint pens in here, and I've got several books in here, not this one. So this one I can put in here with the rest of them, and I need to modify this, and I'm not sure about all the paint pens in there, but I can add that to that. And let's see, what else do I got in here? And this is, oh, it's a blank cover. Cool, because obviously I'm going to need another one. So yes, I'll probably start a new one. So I have that, and I like that this I can, you know, create and paint on it myself. And then I got more washi tape. And this is different than the other washi tape, which is good. Let me get it out. Come on. Doesn't want to come out. Again, I'll have to find room in my washi tape storage for this. I'm about at max capacity for that. So, but I think I still got a little room. We'll see. Oh boy, so excited about this. Really excited about, you know, trying these paint pens. I'll probably, yeah, I'll put those in either this one or the new one. I'll probably be using it for both at this point. Okay, and the last box. Oops, let me move this. Move that out of the way. And then this is another kit that I bought. If I can get it open. Okay, so what do we have in here? We have some more washi tape. I think this is different. And it is, yay, different. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, I'm so excited about all this washi tape. Alright, if I can get it all out. Come on. Huh, boy. Okay, got it out. So this is Another set of washi tapes. So excited about that. And excited that they're different. And I will take care of that. Okay. And then another set of paint pens. So now I've got a couple of sets that I can play with. And are these the same colors? I'm curious. As these. And if they are, that's okay. Yep, it looks like the same colors, but you know, that's okay. I've got several things I can use these in. Another black and white paint pen, and what is this? Bigger back chat. Dylusions coloring sheets. This is new. I've not seen this that I recall. Let me see. Open this up. What is this? Oh, look at that. Oh, that's cool. I like that a lot. That's exciting. I've not seen those. And then a journal. Oh, a journal. Jumpstart journal. Let me see what this is about. I was wondering about what this was about. Oh, yes. See, it gives you pages already started, which is to, you know, jumpstart you to create it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. So that is the 3 kits that I got. Just came in. I couldn't help myself but to open it, and I decided I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing to show you guys. So I hope you like it, and let me know what you think. I mean, do you like seeing these unboxings, or do you think it's a bit pretentious? I don't know. I'm on the fence, I guess, because I really like watching them, but I always feel awkward doing them myself. So let me know what you think. Anyway, like I said, I spent the weekend going through really cleaning out and reorganizing my scrap room, my art room, whatever you want to call it. So I don't know if I'm gonna do another video on it or not. I mean, everything seems somewhat the same in the same areas. I have different stations around my art room here for different, you know, things. So let me know if you'd like to see that, and I can do another video of that. But I'm really happy with it because it looks so much neater, more organized, and actually clean for a change. Now, how long it's going to stay that way, I have no idea. We shall see. But I thank you guys for stopping by and checking out my video, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.